Taking an Uber to Leblon for the first time. All right, me and Fit just hopped out the cab.
Yeah, we here.
Leblon for the first time.
Yeah.
So this is supposed to be the upscale party area. See what it do, y'all. Well, wind's picking up, boy. They're festive in Leblon too, y'all.
Yeah.
What the hell they still doing out?
The kids are selling this late.
Right. Right? Leblon area. Get it all, I know you be moving too fast. Oh. Soften up. Leblon, y'all. What up, what up? My floppy collar over here in the wind. Appreciate that. Obrigado. We out here getting it, you know what I'm saying?
We getting it.
Checking out all the spots. This is the biggest zone of soul I've seen. Hola. Hola, hola. Oh. got a few more blocks, it looks like. We'll go through this way or on the outside. Hola. Yeah, they are. Right here. This might be the last time wearing pants at this joint. Like, it's party time, ain't nobody. Little chocolate thing, pushing the cart. Yeah.
How you doing, man?
Where you from?
I live in Miami now, from LA though.
Ah, okay. That's what's up. I'm from Texas.
Where you from? You're from Texas?
I live in Miami.
How long you been here? You know this place pretty good?
Yeah.
This is our first time coming.
Oh man.
I know we're late, but
Y'all been to the Samba Dromo yet?
Yeah, I've been to it.
no. That's where they had the.
Yeah, I've been
parade.
to it.
Oh.
The parade is going on in Samba Dromo.
Yeah.
Right now.
I've been to it in Lapa.
Okay, you was Woo!
Lapa is crazy.
Yeah, I was there, maybe. Lapa. We were in Lapa a couple of days ago.
yeah.
I was there the other day too.
Where's we just came here on the humbug. We didn't know where we're going. Like, what else?
Where y'all staying at?
I'm in Ipanema. He's in Copa.
Okay, cool. So right now, so you over in Leblon.
Yeah, because we want to film something different.
Yeah.
Y'all in Leblon right now. Ipanema's next door. Then Copa.
Right. Okay.
Where have y'all been to so far?
Just those places we just mentioned.
You over there in Copa. Okay. Have you heard of this place called Mavs?
We haven't been to Maps yet.
Don't go.
Don't go? Okay. Not worth it? Okay. Yeah, we don't necessarily want that.
Right,
Yeah.
those is-
Okay.
rather go to a Tema.
What's it called?
Let me write this.
Okay. No. Rather go to a Temas.
Okay.
All right? A Temas.
Do you have to know a lot of Portuguese or there it don't matter? Okay. All right. Okay. She roaming off on you like, oh, you know, they're giving up the goods.
So, yeah.
Okay.
Have a great time.
What we trying
So,
to do?
I live in Barra.
Oh, so you live here?
It's Juka.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
We haven't been there yet.
How is it like? Because we planning on going out there too.
Okay.
How far is it?
Not too far.
Oh, okay.
About like 15-20 minute drive with no
Okay.
traffic, what have you, right?
From here?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, from here, yeah.
What's it gonna look like? I heard it's more expensive there.
It is.
Okay. Okay.
Also, if you get a chance, great view. And this is the spot. Great view, the spot. It's called Barra de Laje. Okay?
Buy it.
Barra da Laje.
Da Laje.
Barra da Laje.
Da Laje. Okay.
It's right over here. Right there. It's close. It's in the favela.
Okay.
It's in Gigigá.
Mashallah.
Great view, great pictures. Okay, you gotta be gone by a certain time because the favela takes it over.
I got you.
So they give you a pass
Okay.
because they give them money or something like that, right? So like this is body like right now it's closed already.
Okay.
Okay, You
right.
go over there mid-afternoon, party, band, what have you else.
Okay.
Okay? That's about their logic.
Also, they have a live band and stuff
They
there?
be having a live band, they be
Okay.
having this, they be having all type of shit going over there.
Okay.
It's cool. You know what I mean? And you're gonna take a whole bunch of pictures because it has a
It's a lookout.
beautiful view.
Okay.
Has a beautiful view of everything. Leblon, Ipanema, okay, all of that Copacabana, you will see that view.
Okay. Okay.
So that's that. It's an amazing time.
Yeah, it's always sensory overload now.
Oh my God.
This is your first time?
Yeah.
First time?
Yeah.
Okay. Last thing.
Okay.
Talk to normal girls.
Okay. How about here? They seem a little stuck up in Leblon. It don't matter.
That's right. Talk to normal girls.
Okay.
Say a little bit of Portuguese and start speaking your little English or what have you. They're gonna like it.
Okay.
Okay?
Gotcha.
Brazilian women has no inhibition. Okay?
Okay.
Ain't no working for the.
Okay.
They like you. You have a couple of drinks. They f***ing
Yeah, I heard something like that too. Yeah, the normal.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
you. Normal chick.
Gotcha.
All right?
What's your name, brother?
I'm Pierre.
Pierre Strill. I got my Strill.
Nice to meet y'all, man.
Definitely. I
Okay?
appreciate you.
Guess what? Straight up, I swear to mother.
That's what they say.
Yeah, I'm kind of like, I don't know the language. I feel
It's okay.
to really talk
Guess
to
what?
them. That's the only problem.
Google Translate.
Yep.
All right?
Yeah. We get what we can. And
But hey, maybe not either. But we'll see. We'll see.
I've been hit by a few drops.
Yeah, we got some good shit already.
Right. For sure. Huh? Oh yeah. Matter of fact, I might want to give me a Caparini or something. Yeah. Dicks. All right.
That looks like
One try.
that looks like a cool place.
All right. All right. Let's we can get to it.
Una caipirinha,
Yeah, Caparini.
cachaça, vodka.
Oh. Yeah, the casa. Cachaça. You want some bacon? Yeah, you got post up. I was at the bar stools. Rain finally came, y'all. Rain.
I told you.
Yeah, it's here. It's definitely here.